Hello, why are you here? Hello, I'm here for a job interview. What is your name? My name is Anna. How did you find out about this job? I saw an ad on your website. Where are you currently working? I am not working anywhere right now. Why do you want this job? I want this job because I like your company and I think I can do well here. What are your strengths? I am good at organizing and working with others. What is your biggest weakness? My biggest weakness is that I sometimes take too long to finish tasks, but I am working on it.